morning,
all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Very good morning. Now let's start our class. Okay.
Sir.
Now let's start our class. I have a very interesting video regarding the rotation and the revolution. I have one question before you that you will tell me. Okay. That you will let me know. Yesterday I have my question is that how many times you have moved around the sun. Okay. My question is how many times you have moved around sun. How many times you have moved around sun? This is my question. Okay, I hope it is visible to you, and those who wishes to answer, they will raise their hand. Please switch on your camera, everybody. Please switch on your camera. And those, how many times you have moved around sun? This is the question to which you have to answer. Okay. Please raise your hand. Okay, Om Sarkar, unmute yourself. Pratik. Pratik. Pratik, unmute yourself. Om Sarkar, unmute yourself. So how many? Don't talk. Please don't talk. Please don't talk. Yes, Om Sarkar, you answer this question.
क्वेश्चन फिर से दिखाइए ना।
तो घर पे रहते तो फिर बात नहीं करेंगे, कट्टिस हैं। घर पे रहते हैं तो इसलिए अगर क्या समझो कि नहीं बात कर नहीं बात कर रहे हैं, आप घर पे रहेंगे तो बात नहीं करेंगे, कुछ भी सामान तो लाना नहीं पड़ता। देखो ये श्री बड़ी इसी के नाप का तो तुम्हारा, इसी को नाप के तुम्हारा कपड़ा जो ड्रेस आता है ना गया से, इसी को नाप के।
कौन इतना बात कर रहा है जी?
पता नहीं, ये उसका घर का नहीं है।
Mute रहो सब. Now you people be muted. Om Sarkar, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
How many times you have moved around the sun?
Sir, 12.
10 times. Apurva Singh. Apurva
Sir,
Singh.
11
11 times. Anybody else who has taken round around, who has taken a round around the sun? Who has moved around the sun? Anybody else? Anybody else? Nobody?
Sir,
Atul, unmute yourself.
10 hours.
10 times. So how you have moved 10 times? कैसे move किए हो? How you have moved 10 times around the sun? Who will say? Harsh Kumar.
Sir, 12.
12. So how? Since we live on the earth and earth also revolves, since we live on the earth, since we live on earth and earth moves around the sun, earth moves around the suns, and relatively we also move. Relatively also move. Okay, we also move. Okay, so this is called revolution. This is what this is called? This is called revolution. The movement of, you can see, this is, yesterday also I have taught you, Okay, this is the this is sun. Okay, you can see this is sun here. This is sun. Okay, you can see this is sun. Pratik. 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 Pratik, switch on. Show your video. Pratik, start your video.
नहीं सर
Start your video.
नहीं
Start your video. ये तो ऐसे आ ही रहा है, ठीक तो आ रहा है।
इसमें ऊपर नीचे इसमें रहेगा ना।
प्रतीक, स्टार्ट योर वीडियो। प्रतीक, प्रतीक चला गया। गुलभास्कर,
हाँ सर चल गया
ये प्रतीक कौन लड़का है जी?
सर क्लास 5 में पढ़ता है
क्लास 5 में पढ़ता है, ठीक है।
हाँ सर
चलो ये बताओ, तो व्हाट आई हैव शोन यू, यू सी हियर, दिस इज अर्थ, ओके, और व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज अर्थ, okay. What happened? Earth moves around the elliptical path, this is called orbit, and the one movement of earth around the sun in the fixed orbit, this is called revolution, this is called revolution, revolving of, this is called revolution. Now how earth is moving? Okay, earth is making the complete movement around the sun, this is called revolution, okay, and at the same time earth is rotating on its axis, earth is rotating on its axis, okay, or then we have so I hope all of you have understood the I hope all of you have understood the I hope all of you have understood the Ritik Raj, unmute yourself. Ritik, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Why are you late?
सर डाटा नहीं था सर।
डाटा नहीं था, तो ठीक है, टाइम पे रहा
सर
करो,
अभी आ गया।
टाइम पे रहा करो,
ओके सर।
ठीक है। So this is about the
Yes, sir.
pollution. Now what happened? What is rotation? The movement. Now what is, you can see the next topic, it is rotation, okay. See here, this is the axis, okay, this is the axis, and earth moves on the axis, earth moves. Ayushi Raj, start your video. Ayushi Raj, start your video. Ayushi Raj, Ayush Raj, why you are late? Why you are late? Why you are late? क्यों लेट हो?
मेरी दीदी क्लास कर रही थी इसलिए सर हम लेट हो गए।
टाइम पर रहा करो, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट you can see, so let's learn about the rotation and revolution, okay. I hope, is it visible? Is it audible, students? Is it visible? दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ये दिख रहा है? Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Now let's see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see now. आयुष राज, अभी तुम लेट आए हो और you are annotating on the screen. Wait 1 minute. Let me see. Ayush Raj, unmute yourself.
Sir.
Ayush, start video. Ayush Raj.
Yes, sir.
क्यों? Why you have written on the screen? Screen पर क्यों लिखे हो?
सर गलती से हो गया।
गलती से कैसे हो जाएगा? इतना सारा गलती से हो जाता है। Call your parents. चलो पेरेंट्स से पहले बात करो। Call your parents. अभी तुम बोल रहे थे ना कि कल से हम एंटर नहीं करने देंगे, हम सुन लो। अगर ये इफ यू आर रिमूव आयुष राज, 2 नाम याद रख लोगे। हु इज द मॉनिटर ऑफ दिस क्लास? हु इज द मॉनिटर ऑफ दिस क्लास? Raise your hand. Apurva, you note the name of these students. Avantika,
Yes, sir.
you note the name of these students. Okay. Pratik, unmute yourself. Pratik, unmute yourself.
सर नहीं हो रहा।
प्रतीक, हाँ यस ठीक है। स्टार्ट योर वीडियो। प्रतीक, स्टार्ट योर वीडियो।
सर वेटिंग लिख रहा है। मेरा भी नाम लिखवा दीजिए।
चलो
Tossing a coin, rolling a die, making a playing card, playing card.
बोलो अपूर्वा। Tell me Apurva, what happened?
ये लिख दिया। तब देखो एक्सपेरिमेंट का tossing a coin, rolling a die, getting a playing card, playing card जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है
The Earth and its movements. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. And it has a unique characteristic that no other planet we know has. It's the only one that has life on it. Life of all types. Plants, animals.
You can, I hope you have heard that Earth is a only planet. Earth is only planet which has life on it. Which has life on it. Right? Earth is a only planet which has life on it. I hope you got it. Let's.
Oh yeah.
Its average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, and because our planet also has water and an atmosphere, it is...
Now again, I hope you have listened. Earth is a only planet which has got the atmosphere. Okay, Earth is only planet which has got atmosphere. Which has got atmosphere. Earth is only planet that has got atmosphere. Earth is only planet which has got life on it. The average, now what you have heard, just you have seen, the average temperature of Earth, it is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, average temperature of Earth is 15 degrees Celsius. 15 degree Celsius. Okay, the average temperature of Earth is 15 degree Celsius. I hope you have understood it. So, Earth, how Earth is unique? Earth is a planet which has got atmosphere. Earth is only planet which has got water. Okay, Earth is only planet which has got water on it. Earth is only planet which has got atmosphere on it. Okay, let's listen the video once again. Okay, let's listen.
No other planet, third planet from the Sun. And it has a unique characteristic that no other planet we know has. It's the only one that has life on it. Life of all types, plants, animals. Its average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, and because our planet also has water and an atmosphere, it is the perfect place for life.
You write the question in your notebook. Write the question in your notebook. Why Earth is the perfect planet to live in? You note the question, write the question, and you will solve it. Why Earth is, all of you, keep your video switch on. Why Earth is perfect planet to live in? Switch on your videos. Switch on your video. Shreya Kumari, your video is not switched on. Shreya, Aryan Bhadani, Ritik Raj, Kul Bhaskar. If your videos will not be switched on, I will remove you from here. Write the question in your notebook. Why Earth is considered as a suitable planet to live in? Abhinav, Atul, Manya, Nandini, Ansraj, Shivang, Kartik, Divyank, Ashish, 5e. Switch on your videos. Why Earth is considered as a suitable planet to live in? Okay, why Earth is considered as a suitable planet to live in? Okay, what is the average temperature of the Earth? What is the average temperature of the Earth? Average temperature of Earth, it is 15 degrees Celsius. Now it is increasing day by day. The average temperature of Earth is increasing day by day. And you know what it is called? Who will answer it? Ansika, you have raised your hand. Tell me what happened.
सर आपके पीछे पेड़ और समुद्र दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, पेड़ और समुद्र दिख रहा है.
यस सर.
So I am not in Gaya, okay?
सर आप कहाँ पे हैं?
गया में नहीं है. It is nothing to worry. It is a virtual background, okay? It is a virtual background. I am in the school only, okay? It is a virtual background, okay? So lower your hand. I hope all of you have understood. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood that why Earth is the suitable planet to live in. Okay, you will write it in your notebook.
Like other planets of the solar system,
and one thing else I have told you, that what is the average temperature of the Earth? Tolika, unmute yourself.
सर ये आप जो वाई अर्थ कंसीडर वाला बोले थे ना क्वेश्चन, वो फिर से बोलिए ना.
why Earth is considered as a unique planet, या why Earth is considered as a suitable planet to live in. Why Earth is considered as a suitable planet to live in, right? Why Earth is considered as a suitable planet to live in.
Sir, second wala.
What is the average temperature of the Earth? What is the average temperature of the Earth? Right. What is the average temperature of the Earth? I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
What is the average temperature of the Earth? Now, I hope you must be. Now, why this temperature? Why the average temperature of Earth is increasing? Why the average temperature of Earth is increasing? This also you take it down in your notebook. Next question. Why the average temperature? How the average temperature of Earth is increasing? Take it down. Take it down, everybody. Aryan Gupta, you are not writing. I can see you from here. You are not writing. Aryan Gupta. How and why the average temperature of Earth is increasing? How and why the average temperature of Earth is increasing? Take it down. सपना रंजन, कुलभास्कर, मान्या, क्यों तुम्हारा कैमरा ऑफ हो जाता है? Why? When I have told you to be online, minimize कर देते हो क्या? How and why the Earth's average temperature of Earth is increasing? कुलभास्कर, unmute yourself.
सर मेरा वीडियो ऑन है.
यहाँ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा होगा. ठीक है. Next. Apurva, unmute yourself.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था?
How and why the average temperature of Earth is increasing? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, chalo, let's come to the video. Okay.
The Earth moves in two different ways. One is called rotation, and the other is called revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its own axis. Rotate means to turn, so the Earth turns around a slightly inclined.
So Earth moves in a two-way. Okay, what you have heard? Earth moves in a two-way. Okay, the movement of Earth is in two-way. Okay, one is rotation, other is revolution. One is rotation and other is revolution.
Imaginary line that joins the two poles called the axis. Do you know how long it takes to make a complete turn? It takes 24 hours to make one rotation. Think about it for a
Dekho, what you have seen here, you can see here that
to
this
make
is
one
called,
rotation.
This is called the rotation.
Think about it for a second.
What is this called? This is
One
called
day
rotation.
and night together lasts 24 hours too. So the movement of rotation causes day and night. Interesting, right? Now let's see the movement of revolution.
So what you have seen here, students,
The movement
you see
of
once again this picture.
Now
This
let's
is
see the
called
movement of revolution.
This is called rotation. Okay, this is called rotation.
Interesting, right?
Movement of Earth on its axis. Okay, this is called rotation. Movement of Earth on its axis, right? This is movement of Earth on its axis, on its axis. Movement of Earth on its axis is called rotation. Rotation. Okay. I hope
यहाँ पे जो डेबिट कार्ड नंबर था तो हम लोग ओबीसी का ही ना डालेंगे।
वही डालेंगे। वो सारा okay. So movement of Earth on its axis is called rotation. Okay. So this is what you have seen on the rotation. Okay. देखो ये rotation you are saying, right? Let's see. This is rotation. This is called.
Now let's see the movement of revolution.
And this is revolution.
As you can see in the pictures, the Earth goes around the Sun in an elliptical orbit.
Okay. You can see the Earth is
That
moving
might sound a
in the
little strange,
elliptical orbit.
but if you look, you'll see it's simply the journey that the Earth makes around the Sun. Do you know how long it takes the Earth to make a complete revolution around the Sun? Well, it takes 365 days.
Wait, student. I hope you have understood that. What is revolution? Revolution, when it is a one complete movement of Earth around the Sun. It is one complete movement of Earth around the Sun. This is called revolution. How long it takes? It takes 365 days. Okay, it takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Okay, it takes 365 days. Okay, once again, I will let you to see the video of the
That
revolution.
might sound a little strange, but if you look, you'll see it's simply the journey that the Earth makes around the Sun. Do you know how long it takes the Earth to make a complete revolution around the Sun? Well, it takes 365 days. Exactly 1 year. This revolution movement is what makes the spring with its colourful flowers, the hot summer full of the autumn when leaves fall from the trees to the ground, and the cold, frosty winter. So let's remember the two kinds of movement that the Earth makes. There is rotation, which is the Earth turning around itself.
Up, let's see, turning of Earth on its axis. This is called rotation. Okay, this is called
Causing day and
rotation.
night,
And it
which
goes
lasts
day and night.
exactly 24 hours.
And rotation, it takes place in 24 hours. Okay, it takes place in 24 hours.
The same as a whole day. And there is revolution, which is the Earth travelling around the Sun, which takes 365 days and causes the seasons.
Right? I hope you have understood it. I hope you have understood it. All of you have understood it. Anybody, those who have not understood or you have more queries, you can ask with me. Okay? You can ask. Okay. Listen, students. Once again, today we have also the another video. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. How many seasons we have? We have autumn season. We have autumn season. We have winter season. And we have, but what causes temperature to change at the different times? Let's take a look at the sun and the earth to find out. Okay. See, earth rotate on its axis connected by the south pole and north pole on 23°5 north. 20, okay, you can see here. Okay. now you can see here, wait, you can see, देखो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, अभी अर्थ रोटेट करते हुए, ठीक है, अर्थ अपने एक्सिस पर रोटेट करते हुए इस जगह पर आ गया है, अर्थ हैज कम एट दिस प्लेस, और देखो सन का लाइट कहाँ पड़ रहा है, इस जगह पर पड़ रहा है, ठीक है, एट दिस प्लेस, ओके, एट दिस प्लेस, इस जगह पर सन का लाइट ज्यादा पड़ रहा है, ठीक है, दिस लाइन रिप्रेजेंट द एनर्जी ऑफ सन टुवर्ड द अर्थ इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर, ठीक है, ये इस तरह से लाइन यहाँ पर पड़ रहा है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या फीलिंग हो रहा है, बट इट इज बीइंग फेल्ट, ओके, और दूसरा देखो यहाँ डार्क साइड है इसके पीछे, एज यू कैन सी द मोर द सन इज ऑन दिस द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर देन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, अभी आप यहाँ देखोगे, देखो ये साउथ हेमिस्फीयर में, ये सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर और नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, ठीक है, द नॉर्थ एंड इसमें ज्यादा पड़ रहा है, और इधर देखो यहाँ पर टेम्परेचर कम है, ठीक है, तो दिस काउजेस मोर, यू कैन सी, I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear. Anybody, any problem? If you have any problem, raise your hand. If you have any problem, raise your hand. So what causes day and night rotation and revolution is clear, okay? And I hope it is clear. किसी को कोई problem? चलो ठीक है. If you have no any problem, today what I have given you the question and answer homework or the classwork questions, you please write it and send it on my WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice time.